Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to pay Roblox on two accounts at the same time. This is perfect if you want to trade, grind into accounts, or just play with yourself in the same game. So let's just get started. So what you can do is you can open up the Roblox app. So for example, let's say this is Roblox. That is Roblox. So you can head over and open it up on your screen on your PC and then log in into your first account. So if you're not logged in, you can just log it into your first account here. I have already logged in. You can use your credentials in order to log in. And the next thing you can do is you can open up a browser like Chrome, Edge, etc. For example, let's say this is the browser I would like to open up. From here, you can just go over and search for roblox.com and hit enter. After that, it should open up the Roblox browser here. Now what you can do is you can, once you are here, log in with your second account. Join the same game from both. Once you do so, in order to log in, you can look out for the login option in the top right corner and click on it. And from here, you can just go ahead and type your username, email in the section, and then password right below it. After that, confirm the login by clicking on login. And once it is confirmed, you can log in with your second account here in this section. And once it is confirmed, what you can do is you can now both join the same game from both accounts. So you can head over to your Roblox in your Roblox application itself and also in the browser. And there you may go ahead and join the Roblox game with same account. You can just go ahead and run the two Roblox account at the same time. You can just go ahead and do so. And that's it. It is the easiest method up. You can follow up and now you can play Roblox with two accounts on the same computer. Great for trading and grinding or helping your main account. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.